The story of living progress enters a new domain of high-class outdoor experiences. In a progressive era that is mindful, powerful, sustainable, and fully electric. Experience the future of premium mobility for an active lifestyle, enhanced by augmented reality, focused on you. Elegant, human-centric, and welcoming. A personal experience device connecting you to a holistic digital ecosystem, giving you access to a world of new possibilities, ready to explore, to discover, and to be inspired. Providing personalized concierge services, not just a means of transportation,
Commencing tutorial.
but a partner on your journey, offering intelligent solutions for all your sports equipment. Considerate, practical, and comfortable.
Temperature adjusted.
A personal living sphere, reinventing an immersive experience with a revolutionary, augmented reality user interface.
Optimal biking route updated.
Within and beyond the Audi activesphere concept.
Point of interest activated.
Supporting you with the Audi digital assistant.
Your tee time has been confirmed.
Elevating your everyday activities, making time for the moments that matter. An intelligent companion, always planning ahead. With self-organized charging, allowing you to focus on recharging yourself. Transforming your daily routine into a daily adventure.
Your ski route is selected. Snow conditions are excellent.
Equipped with Quattro technology, as Audi's heritage becomes Audi's future. With a choice of fully automated driving,
Loose gravel detected. Off-road mode engaged.
or an exciting and engaging driving experience. All-road capability, taking you to places you've never been before. Combined with expressive elegance. And supporting you while you blaze your own trail,
Automatic driving is activated.
allowing you to reconnect with nature and gain whole new levels of freedom. The perfect complement to your active lifestyle, adapting to you. With live health tracking and performance statistics, complete with innovative design features created to enhance your outdoor experiences. Immersing you in an all-road driving experience with a height-adjustable driving dynamics. For all of your outdoor activities, leaving you relaxed and recharged before your next hill climb, taking you to new heights.
Capturing highlights.
Active, dependable, passionate, athletic, and luxurious. The fusion of elegance, practicality, and capability. Warming you up to cool you down. With special access to the Audi Progress Circle. Connecting and communicating. Intelligent and social.
Would you like to leave a response? Water surface conditions are nominal.
Redefining your idea of personal time, giving you the ultimate freedom to do what you want to do. Energizing and fascinating, allowing you true peace of mind. Experience the next level of what your active lifestyle can be.
Approaching your destination. Enjoy your evening.
Designed with you and all of your needs in mind. Future is an attitude. The Audi activesphere concept, your companion for an active lifestyle.